everyone. I hope you're well. I hope you're safe wherever in the world you are at the minute. It's been 2 weeks since I made a video. I got pneumonia. So yeah, I've been in bed with pneumonia for nearly 2 weeks. I'm finally starting to come good now. I still get quite breathless if I walk too fast or try and do too much physical stuff. But I'm getting better and better every day, and I'm able to do more and more every day. So yeah, things are looking up in that respect. In that 2 weeks, oh my god, the world has just changed so much. It's just mind-blowing how quickly this virus is progressing everywhere. So back when I gave you an update when I started on the sunset dress, I was telling you, I think it was that video, I was telling you about how the virus was affecting business in the fact that I couldn't get my fabrics out of China because nothing was shipping out of China. Now it's affecting business in a whole new way because a lot of my clients this year have postponed their weddings. So yeah, it's a difficult, stressful, worrying time for many small businesses around the world. The wedding industry is going to suffer hugely because of this. So with that in mind, I've got a huge request. When you watch my videos, can I ask you to please don't skip the adverts. Please watch the whole advert. It costs you nothing, it saves a bit of time, and I know it's really annoying because you just want to get on with the videos, but it will help me just make a little bit more money to help tide me over this difficult period. So if you could do that, or even just put on one of my playlists in the background and just let it play, it would all help to get me a few extra dollars to tide me over this time. Hopefully I should be getting some money from the government as well to help me through this time when my orders are going to be minimal at least. But I plan to keep making videos. That's my plan. I managed to get out to Spotlight last week and I've been ordering things online, so I've been stocking up on fabric. So if we go into a full lockdown, I've still got tons and tons of supplies so I can make videos. So I'm very lucky that my studio is part of my house and I can come in here and keep making videos and keep sewing. So when I went to Spotlight last week, I finally bought the cotton that I need for the sunset dress. So I've got that to be getting on with now. I need to pre-wash it and press it at some point so I can get on with that. I've bought the lining fabric I need as well. I also thought now would be a good time to do some corset videos for you as well. So I bought a ton of steel boning. I get mine from Metro Fabrics here in Australia. And they ship really quickly, so if you want to stock up on some corsetry supplies and copy my videos maybe while we're in lockdown, get on to Metro Fabrics and get this is the endless steel boning that I then just cut to length. And I've got a busk as well. I think I've got some busks in a drawer somewhere too, so might start after I finish the sunset dress. I might start with just a simple underbust corset and show you how I make one of those, and show you I've got 2 or 3 different methods that I use for making corsets, so maybe I can start taking you through sort of corsetry basics and how I put my corsets together and how I fit them as well. So I've got loads of corsetry supplies. I've got a ton of interfacing because I get through loads of interfacing when I'm making corsets. I've bought loads of calico ready for making toiles and to use for the strength layering corsets as well. That's the lining for the sunset dress. I bought some just random ivory lining fabric as well. I think I just did a bit of what do I need? I've got tons of fabric here too. So I've got loads of sequin fabrics and chiffons. I've got tons of crystals and all sorts. So I will be working on the sunset dress. Then I'm going to be working on corset videos. Jazida has commissioned another burlesque outfit from me. So I'll start that and she's happy for me to share that. While she probably won't be able to come and see me for fittings, I can still get on because I've got her corset body pattern from last year when I made that, so I can get started on that for her, and I've had a crystal delivery already to go with that. So one of the upsides of China's lockdown sort of coming to an end now is that they are shipping again. So I'm ordering things while I can. I don't have a lot of money at the minute, so it is going to be a case of using what I've got here. If there's anything you'd like to see, if there's any videos you'd like to see, just let me know and I'll try and do what I can. Yeah, so that's where I'm up to. I'm shaking the end of this pneumonia. I'm gonna just take it easy again today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna start working on the sunset dress. So hopefully I can get lots of videos made, give you something pretty to look at and give you some kind of distraction while we're going through this, this awful time around the world. Please stay home if you can. Stay safe. Thank you to everyone who's working hard during this, all the doctors and nurses around the world, everyone in supermarkets stacking shelves so we've got food, everyone who's working harder than ever to help us all get through this as safely and as quickly as we can. We'd be lost without you, so thank you. And I'm going to do my little bit by making pretty things to distract you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please, please, please don't skip my adverts just to help me out financially through the next few months. Stay safe, everyone, and I will be back soon with the next part of the sunset dress.